Enabling TV streaming with cellular data on your iPhone 16 allows you to watch your favorite shows on the go without requiring a Wi-Fi connection. Here's how to access and manage this setting on the new iPhone. First, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the current display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, locate TV and then tap on it to proceed. Once you get to the TV app menu, navigate to the Streaming Options section and then find the option to use cellular data. Finally, toggle the switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, you can choose between high-quality streaming and automatic to optimize video quality based on your data plan. Enabling cellular data TV streaming allows you to watch your favorite shows and movies on your iPhone anywhere with a cellular connection, while disabling it helps conserve data and prevent unexpected overage charges. You can reconfigure this setting at any time when needed. Just repeat the same steps to head back to the TV app menu and make necessary changes to your settings. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.